Dreena here. I am making my chocolate bark and I wanted to show you a couple of little tricks. I have a full video for this on YouTube so you can see that, but I just want to show you the finishing touches here today. So when you spread out your bark, make it nice and thin. Fill out the entire sheet of your pan parchment. The thinner the bark, the better. It just has more crispy bits in there and it has a nice texture and it melts in your mouth so good. So spread it out really nice. And then add your final toppings. So this one is pumpkin seed ginger, and I've chopped up some extra pumpkin seed and crystallized ginger, and I'm just sprinkling that over top. And then what makes it extra special, where did I put it? Here are two things to make it extra, extra special. I could have been more organized, but here we go. You want to add a little coarse sea salt and just bring your fingers nice and high over the pan so it will spread out evenly rather than falling in like one spot in the center. Get your hand up high and then sprinkle it over. And then a little bit of vanilla bean powder. Oh my gosh, so good. I'm gonna see if I have my little strainer to dust it over the top. See if this will work. If not, I'm using my fingers. Usually I use my fingers. I'm not sure if this is gonna go through my strainer. Let's see. Nope, not so well. But if you have a strainer that's a little less fine than this, actually it is working. Yeah, ooh, I got a whole bunch in the center. That's okay. It's so delicious. This is Wilderness Poets vanilla bean powder. It's my favorite baking ingredient, absolutely. Look at that. So it makes it nice and fine to dust it over top. And it's expensive, but it goes a long way. And if you're doing something like chocolate bark for gifts, I mean, why not make it special, right? So there we go. Oh, and then any extra you can put it on, like perfume. Smells so good. So get yourself some vanilla bean powder, some good quality dark chocolate, check out my recipe, and then make it your own, make it special, okay? We'll see you soon.